Good evening, I'm Jeff Glor. We're going to begin tonight with the president's former attorney and former campaign chairman, now both convicted felons. His ex-lawyer and fixer, Michael Cohen, pleaded guilty to campaign finance violations and fraud charges today. Cohen says in an attempt to influence the election, Cohen claims at the direction of the candidate, arranged to pay off two women who claim they'd had affairs with Trump a little more than 10 years ago. The man who once ran the president's campaign, Paul Manafort, was convicted of 8 of 18 counts of tax and bank fraud, the first trial in special counsel Robert Mueller's Russia investigation. Here was the president's reaction to the Manafort case.
This is a witch hunt and it's a disgrace. But this has nothing to do what they started out, looking for Russians involved in our campaign. There were none. I feel very badly for Paul Manafort.
So that was just after the president landed in West Virginia for a rally. Weijia Jiang is there with him. She is going to start with the Cohen case.
Michael Cohen left Manhattan federal court late this evening after pleading guilty to 8 felony charges and admitting he and then candidate Trump worked to cover up his alleged affairs during the 2016 campaign. At times emotional, Cohen told the judge that in violation of campaign finance laws, he paid 2 women hush money in coordination and at the direction of a candidate for federal office for the principal purpose of influencing the election. He also admitted to bank fraud and tax evasion. Deputy U.S. Attorney Robert Kazami spoke soon after.
These are very serious charges and reflect a pattern of lies and dishonesty over an extended period of time. They are significant in their own rights. They are particularly significant when done by a lawyer.
Cohen is at the center of the Stormy Daniels controversy. He admitted to paying the adult film star $130,000 right before the 2016 election to keep her quiet about an alleged affair with President Trump. The president initially denied knowing about the payment.
Did you know about the $130,000 payment to Stormy Daniels?
No.
But later, the president disclosed he reimbursed Cohen. In June, Mr. Trump reacted to the possibility of pardoning Cohen if he ever faced charges.
It certainly is far too early to be thinking about that.
And he criticized the FBI for raiding Cohen's home and office in New York, seizing thousands of materials and documents.
I think that was unfortunate that they broke into a lawyer's office. Not a good practice.
Cohen had worked as the president's attorney and fixer for more than a decade and was known for his fierce loyalty.
And I'll do anything to protect Mr. Trump.
But their relationship took a dark turn in July when Cohen released a secret recording of his conversation with then-candidate Trump about payments related to a Playboy model who claims she also had an affair with Mr. Trump.
What financing?
We'll have to pay you. So
I'll pay the kid.
No. No.
The president tweeted, "What kind of lawyer would tape a client? So sad." Under the plea deal, Cohen faces up to 5 years and 3 months in prison if he chooses to cooperate in other cases that could help him out when it comes to sentencing, which is set for December. But tonight, Jeff, Cohen is a free man after posting a $500,000 bail and giving up his passport.
Weijia Jiang in Charleston, West Virginia, where the president is about to hold a rally. Weijia, thanks.